What's up, guys? This time we're going to be doing Sonic Pac-Man. You can go to the site sonicgames.com if you want to play it. Anyway, click here, go down more, start the game. Now let's play some Sonic Pac-Man with Knuckles. I'm ready. Whee! Watch out for Eggman. Go, yeah! Get back here! Gotta get all the rings. It's still the basic rules of Pac-Man, you know. Loading. Go! No! He's like, what the heck, bro? Come on, go. This way. Yes! Yes! No! Go! Run, Knuckles, run! No! They got me this time. You got me this time. Oh, you got me. I was trapped. I'm about to win this. Come on. Are you going? No. Come on, get Emerald. No. Up. Yeah, I win. Let's do this. Bring it on. No, come on. Up, down, up, this way, down, close one. This one again, go up, go this way, go down, go hit this. Woo! Take 2 down, 3 down. Wow! View! Whoa! Woo-wee! I'm winning myself some rings. You should subscribe now. I earn it. Dang. Game over? You only have 2 lives? Or was that 3? Was that 3? I forgot. Come on. Let's do this. Come on. I'm going to do 3 more games, levels of this, and then I'm done with the video. Yeah, got it done with this section. Whoa. You double teaming me. Okay, that's 2 lives I had before. Down. We're taking down the bottom row. I'm just coming back down. Coming back up. Going down. Go up this way. Yeah! Woo! Bring it on! Oh no. Go up. This way. Get it. Bam! Bing. Come on. No, down. Get those rings. Sip. Only get the safe ones. No, down. Hey. Trying to trick him? Oh! I thought that was only 1. Oh, I did have 3 lives. Oh dang, no! I am not getting triple teamed. Yup, I'm doomed. Oh, I made an escape. I escaped. Did you see that? Gotta get that ring, come on. Yes! Did you see that? Did I actually beat that? That was awesome. Oh! Dang. Well, if I die one more time, then this video is over. Start. Let's see if I can make it to level 3. Come on, go, 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 go. Up. This way, this way, this way. Get the ring. Oh. Either way. Whoa, whoa. Oh, why did I go down? Whoa. Yes. I can finally get an emerald. Oh, hit the thing. E. Come on, get those rings. Bam. Bam. Oh. Come on, I was gonna beat him. Looks like that's the end of the video. If you want more stuff to learn about in this game, well, it's in the description. It says the website, and you have to scroll down to it. So, that's it for the video. Bye. See you next time in Roblox Funny Moments.